Hi friends, this is Bhanuchandra, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to wrap and unwrap a cube and add texture to it. Let's get started. We can see a cube which is kept by default, and now I'm going to split the screen into two. For that we need to go to the right hand corner until we get the plus sign, and then hold the left key and drag it so that you can split the screen. Now we need to change it to UV image editor. The left side of the screen is changed to UV image editor, and now we are going to work out on the right screen. Now we need to go to the edit mode, then select the edge selector. By pressing A, we are going to unselect all the faces of the cube. Now what we have to do is to select three edges of the cube, and now hold on the shift key and select the remaining two, and now hold on the control key and press E, and then go to mark scene. Repeat the same on the three faces of the cube. Hold on the shift, select the other two edges, then ctrl E, mark scene, and I'm going to repeat it on the other side. Ctrl E, mark scene. And now what we have to do is select all the hold the whole cube. Press A, select the whole cube. After selecting the whole cube, press on the key U and then unwrap. On the left screen we can see the cube is being unwrapped. Now go to UVS, then export the UV layout. I'm gonna save it on the desktop, and for this I'm gonna give some name. Take it unwrap the cube, and now I'm gonna join this both the areas. For that we need take our cursor to this position and then press on the right click and then join area and go to this arrow mark, and hence we have joined this. Now minimize this. On the desktop we can see that we got that unwrap the cube, and I'm going to open it in the paint mode. Paint. Now I'm going to paint it. Let's paint different with different colors: yellow, green, blue, dark blue, and red. And now save this file. Again going to the blender. Now I'm going to add this texture to the cube. Go to the material, add some color to it. Let me take green and then assign it. Now go to the texture. In the texture, go to the new and open. Now go to the desktop where I have saved it, unwrap the cube.png, and I'm going to open it. See, we can see that we have painted these colors to the unwrapped cube, and this one I'm going to texture it to the cube. Texture paint mode, and you can see that I have added the texture to the cube. This is how we can add different texture to the different objects.